Nayanar Nagendran is now the new Tamil Nadu president of the BJP. He was the only one to file his nomination and has officially taken charge. His appointment is seen as a key move to bring the BJP and AIADMK back together. And therefore, right after Nagendran became the state president, the BJP and AIADMK confirmed their alliance for the 2026 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections. Notably, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the election will be fought under PM Modi's leadership, with AIADMK's Edappadi Palaniswamy leading the state front. Earlier, a major issue was former BJP President K. Annamalai. He and Palaniswamy come from the same region and community, which led to rivalry. Further, Annamalai's critical comments about AIADMK leaders in 2023 caused the alliance to break. AIADMK had even demanded that Annamalai be removed if the BJP wanted to revive the alliance. So how does Nayanar Nagendran works for the alliance? Well, first up, he has strong AIADMK roots. Nagendran began his political career with the AIADMK. He was elected as an MLA from Tirunelveli in 2001 and again in 2011. He even served as a minister under Chief Ministers Jayalalitha and O. Paneerselvam. This background means that he knows how the AIADMK works, its leaders, its culture and its voters. That familiarity makes it easier for both parties to work together again. Then there is different caste and region. Unlike Annamalai, who comes from the same caste and region as AIADMK leader Edappadi Palaniswamy, Nagendran comes from southern Tamil Nadu and belongs to the Thevar community, which is another influential group in the state. This removes the feeling of competition between him and EPS and further helps balance the alliance both socially and regionally. Then, there is another point that BJP has been trying to grow its base in southern Tamil Nadu. Nagendran is from Tirunelveli, which gives the party a strong face in that region. His local influence and connections could help the BJP reach new voters. And further, Nagendran is trusted by the BJP's central leadership. He has shared the stage with PM Modi and worked closely with party leaders. This shows he has the confidence of Delhi, which is key when managing an alliance. Therefore, together, these factors make Nagendran a unifying figure, someone who can help repair old ties and lead the alliance into the 2026 elections with fresh energy.